Guys, drunk driver here.
Oh.
Whoa, chill, dog. Can he just chill out, man?
No.
Clip this dog. Everybody, sorry guys, I'm used to saying clip it. No. Guys, currently the dog is in the driver's seat of our golf cart. And yeah, he's being very retarded. He's not our dog. However, he's in the middle of the street. Homeless dog. If anybody wants to buy this dog, go to buymydog.com and we will buy the. You could buy the dog, obviously.
Dude, somebody lost a dog.
That's kind of unfortunate. Come here.
Here you go.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's just like.
Mom, let me go. Mom, let me in the GoPro. Hey, hi GoPro.
Here, Dex.
We've got the golf cart crew here. I've got Mom here, some guys on the back, Michelle over here. We're gonna go watch some fireworks.
Bye.
Say hi to YouTube.
Dexter Vlogs. Dexter Vlogs.
It's high-tech adventure, dude.
Jackson.
High-tech adventure.
Jackson. High Tech Adventure. I'm new to this thing.
They can't see you either.
Oh, it can't? High Tech Adventure.
Watch out, Jack, move so they can go.
Totally radical, dude. Alright.
No, Jackson, come back
Filming our
Grandma
series.
coming in here, or?
Just got done with them fireworks. Those things with fire. Look, guys, there's Richie on the golf cart. There's Cooper. There's Daddy. There's Mommy. Yo, Mommy, I'm filming. About to become a Fortnite master. Alright, guys.
Yeah.
When you get back.
Everybody else, okay?
Alright, guys, this was Jose Jalapeno. Sit up! Alright, guys. Headed back to our house. About to go party some even more.
5 points apiece.
By the way, happy 4th of July!
Jackson, shut up. You suck at YouTube.
Alright, guys, we got him on the golf cart.
Yeah.
Golf cart.
Don't take out the brakes.
Question, why is AJ driving? Dude, AJ, why is AJ driving?
Jackson in the back, AJ in the back, and Richie in the back. AJ sucks
that's
at
Cooper.
driving. Never mind.
All
Alright.
You're still gonna send it, right?
So guys, guess what? So right now we're driving, and guess what? My favorite YouTuber is Unspeakable Gaming. Minecraft God, dog. You don't even know. Can you guys see me? He's waiting. Boom.
Hurry!
What's up? Guys, let's go, AJ!
AJ! What's up?
AJ, just go! Alright, there's everyone else having some fun.
Dude,
Just like we are.
Seriously, Jackson.
Just got done with the fireworks.
Jackson, stop.
And now we're still filming. Wow. Well, we've been filming for 2 minutes.
Jackson, give me the camera.
Doesn't no. Okay, can I?
Give it to me. Give it to me.
All right.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Don't. He pointing at you?
Who's the best YouTuber here?
Me.
Definitely me, because I am. No, actually, I'm not a YouTuber, but I am a streamer, by the way. Check
Well,
me
what
out.
do you do that everybody else does?
Wait here. Let me see.
I stream.
Here, let me see. Let me see it. Let me see it.
I guess you got you.
Wait, guys. Wait.
YouTube is new. Check me out. The link in the description.
Say shout out to Road Speed Demon TTV streamer.
No,
Camera like this, pointed
No,
at you.
guys, shout out to TTV Rogue Speed Demon. God at MLB The Show 19.
Nobody knows what
Dog,
you're
I hit
saying.
dingers. Anthony Rizzo did.
No one
Bombs.
knows anything you're saying.
George Springer hits bombs. Jackie Robinson, if you don't know him, you are dumb.
Then everybody's dumb.
You don't know who Jackie Robinson
said it.
is?
Nope.
wow. You've heard it, guys.
What about, okay, do you guys know who Ken Griffey Jr. is? Because if you do, leave a like on this video.
And if you don't, still leave a like on the video.
And if you dislike this video, leave a like.
Yes, do that too.
All right, guys, if I say the word Ken Griffey Jr., you guys have to smash the like button. Ken Griffey Jr.
Ken Griffey Jr. Ken Griffey.
Hey guys, you guys gotta smash that like button.
Subscribe to the channel.
and subscribe to the channel. If we get more subscribers, that thing will be amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, can I get the camera?
No, you cannot get the camera.
No, I'm gonna film you guys.
Okay, so just so you know, this
Is this your guys' dog?
hurry, we gotta catch up to AJ. AJ,
Whose dog is this?
drunk driver here. Hey guys, drunk driver here.
Whoa.
Wow, chill dog. Can he just chill out, man?
No.
Clip this dog. Everybody, sorry guys, I'm used to saying clip. No. Guys, currently the dog is in the driver's seat of our golf cart. And yeah, he's
sit.
being very retarded. He's not our dog. However, he's in the middle of the street. Homeless dog. If anybody wants to buy this dog, go to buymydog.com and we will buy the. You could buy the dog, obviously.
Dude, somebody lost a dog.
That's kind of unfortunate. What do you have to say about that? Just leave it.
Did someone lose a dog? I
That's-
feel so guilty.
That's unfortunate.
Does anybody know how to get home?
Yeah.
For YouTube.
You do.
I don't.
I'm gonna
Look
watch.
in the Jackson's house.
I'm gonna watch this video when I can. Wait, what's the YouTube channel called?
Cole, don't feel guilty anymore.
What is it? Hey, golf cart for you.
4th of July!
So say something to Piers.
Happy 4th! Happy 4th, everyone! Woo woo!
Hey Jackson, what should you do?
Happy
Sub to
4th!
Yeah, you heard it, folks. That's how Mr. Beast pays my funds. He told me to sub to Pewds, and I've done it, so he now pays me $20,000 an hour. But that's me.
That's why I'm rich.
No, you're not.
Let me tell him
You're
something.
poor.
Let me tell him something. Give me it. Give me it.
Tell him where to go!
So guys, guess what? This guy Dexter right here.
Chicken butt.
He guys guess what? You guys want to know what he does?
What?
He helps with Minecraft. He makes Minecraft servers. Did you guys know that?
Yep. One of the #1 servers in the world.
And guess what, guys? If you guys go play that server, you guys will love it.
I'm
You guys will get addicted to Mineshaft. And just saying, guys, this isn't a real video. This is just screwing off.
I'm pretty sure this is going on your channel.
All right, guys, this is
the
going on
turn?
Dexter's channel, and guess what? Just don't,
Chicken butt.
just don't even do anything
Chicken
to
butt.
it.
Chicken butt.
Just watch it,
Chicken butt.
subscribe, like.
Butt!
Jackson, look. Jackson, look. I'm running.
Guys, we got.
What are you doing? I never know what you're doing.
Wait, shoot.
All right,
shoot,
guys, we got
guys.
some more people.
See you guys.
Say hello.
What?
Say hi.
Phone.
Hey, come back.
It's my phone. It's Will. Come on.
No, he lost his phone.
Wait, what'd you lose?
My phone came out of my pocket
When?
just a little bit ago.
Did you find it?
Tell him to stop right there.
Can I have a flashlight? Does somebody have a flashlight?
We have headlights.
No, no.
Wait,
How
Joe.
long ago was a little bit ago? When did you last have it?
Like literally just.
Hey, whoa, stop,
Is it that?
Stop.
Got it.
Oh, I forgot I saw your phone back there.
No, it's over here. Alright, thanks.
Situated situations. Have you guys heard of that before? It's situations that do not end well. When people lose their phone, they're dumb. When people lose their phone, they are dumb. When people don't know how to get on the golf cart, they're dumb. Subscribe! What do you do to when you're about to end it?
Press that button.
No, like, do you have to say anything?
No.
Subscribe!
Subscribe! Like the video! Bye!
Boom!
Like, subscribe.
Now what do I tap?
Sub to my channel!
I get